Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hey Clashers, ever wanted to command your armies on a bigger screen with crystal clear graphics? Playing Clash of Clans on a Chromebook offers a fantastic experience, perfect for detailed strategy and immersive battles. We're diving into the updated methods for 2025, showing you exactly how to get the smoothest, most enjoyable gameplay possible. Get ready to transform your gaming setup and dominate your opponents, all from your portable Chromebook, effortlessly. The primary and easiest way to get Clash of Clans running on your Chromebook is through the Google Play Store. Most newer Chromebook models come with full Android app support built right in. Just open the Play Store, which you'll find pre-installed, then search for Clash of Clans. Once you find it, simply click Install, and the game will download and set up automatically, ready for you to jump into action. For the best experience in 2025, optimizing your Chromebook is key. Always make sure your Chrome OS is updated. Newer versions often bring performance improvements for Android apps. Within the game, experiment with the graphics settings. Lowering them slightly can make a big difference if you notice any lag. Connecting an external mouse can also give you much more precise control than the trackpad, especially during intense battles, making your gameplay incredibly smooth. Sometimes you might encounter small hitches, but they're usually easy to fix. If the game crashes or freezes, a quick restart of your Chromebook often resolves it, or try clearing the app's cache. Always check your available storage, as game updates can sometimes take up significant space. For any connection problems, double-check your Wi-Fi and temporarily disable any VPNs, which might interfere with the game's servers. So there you have it. Playing Clash of Clans on your Chromebook in 2025 is not only possible, but also a fantastic way to enjoy the game. With the ease of the Google Play Store and a few optimization tips, you're set for an excellent gaming experience. Get ready to enjoy the larger screen, precise controls, and immersive world of Clash of Clans, all from your versatile Chromebook. Go build your empire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.